Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your event marketing with Eventbrite, beginner guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your event marketing with Eventbrite, start by creating an account. Visit the Eventbrite website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your details to set up your profile. Once registered, you can explore the dashboard. Click on Create Event to begin planning your first event. Fill in the event details, including the title, date, and time. Choose the event type and category that best fits your occasion. Add a compelling description to attract attendees. Upload an eye-catching image or video to enhance your event page. Set your ticketing options, such as free or paid tickets. If you're offering paid tickets, enter pricing details. Consider creating an early bird ticket to encourage early registrations. Set the maximum number of tickets available to manage capacity. Adjust your event settings, including privacy options and attendee registration questions. Once your event details are finalized, click on Publish to make your event live. Promote your event through social media channels directly from Eventbrite. Use the invite feature to send invitations to your contacts. Create a custom link to share your event easily. Monitor your event performance using the Analytics dashboard. This will help you understand ticket sales and attendee engagement. Send follow-up reminders to registered attendees as the event date approaches. Consider creating a post-event survey to gather feedback. Use this feedback to improve future events. With Eventbrite, you can streamline your event marketing efforts effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.